Look what is on television. You can't even see it properly. Blues!
You brush your teeth often?
I'm gonna get one to my bed. Stop, please.
Lovely welcomes you to Hellshire Beach.
I am a sick one. I am a sick yard where my leave I go. So anything you want to do, I go see. Or if the man wants to see what the man can see too.
Tell my rival, are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win, we still a win. Are we still a win? Them girl keep the black thing shining. We still a win. Are we still a win? Unruly thing. We still a win. Are we still a win? Them to know.
One no left me. Sorry.
That's my English lady. I don't think that's my English lady.
We're going to the grill shack in Kingston. Pretty girl, pretty. Yanisha. To see. Gone again. Oh God.
Let's open a crack. My next line again.
Where's what home?
Okay, line.
Which one?
Oh my God. Oh, my name is
Toodles. Number 3. Oh, I know, you know that cool. I think we're not freezing. So we're at the Jules, where is it? Jules Resorts.
Yeah, Jules Resort.
With Bay in Kingston for 2 nights. So this is the room. The bed is nice. You got a TV right there. Then could have at least clean the water, I'm not gonna lie. TV, dresser, mirror, bathroom. But I feel too lazy to get up on video in it. Telephone, you know, why is the telephone right here?
Telephone?
One little place you can hang up your clothes and them things there.
So Babe put on the TV in the hotel, yeah, in Jules Hotel. Look what is on television. You can't even see it properly. Blues!
No, I'm actually so gobbed. You can't change it now, baby. What channel was that?
More to say no. What are you doing?
Yep. Again.
If one would have heat.
Okay. You know what? Watch that thing or the movie that. What? No. Oh, lad. So that Jules Hotel in Kingston. I think it's Kingston or Portmore, whichever. We get room service, so it's not too bad. So Babe got kidney and dumpling. I got callaloo and dumpling because I'm not a fan. I didn't finish my dumpling because I've got this belly problem that when I eat flour or rice or whatever, my belly blows up. We got tea, so we both got mint tea. 2 glasses of water, 2 juices. It was kind of nice. Well, not kind of. It was very nice. Let me explain why. He didn't have to go anywhere for breakfast, so most hotels you have to get dressed, get up and go downstairs or whatever. This one,
they call you on the phone and then they bring it to you, which was so lovely because I got so high last night I didn't want to get up. I wasn't on it to get up to go downstairs for no breakfast, so I think that was a nice touch to the hotel. What else? There's a lovely sea view. I'm gonna go show you guys now. My phone's on red, but I'm gonna show you. But yeah, it's a lovely hotel. There's no real downside to it. It's a bit pricey for what it is, but it's okay. Jamaica's pricey anyways, you know what I mean? So yeah, and I must apologize, I haven't been vlogging properly. I know I haven't been like talking in the camera X, Y, and Z, but I'm in a long distance relationship. I haven't seen Bay in almost a year, so I'm gonna be out here for a while. So I thought the first week I tried to vlog as much as I could, but the first week I wanted to be more about me and him. But now that the first week's over, you know, we're back in our zone kind of thing, I'm gonna start vlogging properly and all them things there. Okay, I'm just bong the people in the toilet and then now go down. It does not flush. Like, I look so morning, Rayon. Oh, was that you? I thought it was someone else, you know. Oh, morning.
Yeah.
I had to go fart this morning. My belly was turning up, man. That's why I bought that U-turn when I saw it. I thought it was someone else. Where's Paula sleeping? Oh, okay. Alright. This is big. I look so rough. So, huh? Did you say? This is the view. Views for heck where? I don't think you can swim in that pool, babe.
Dirty.
They've blocked it off. Look, there's ropes around it. There's no entrance point. You see?
Maybe they could go for the place in the park. Maybe the summer tourists.
Huh? Yeah. Do you have it?
I'll go first. It's on ganja. And when you got something, when you got Colombia, come back and find a coke link. And be a plane Starship out there. And it's a Colombia rating.
Also have a blood class in Emabado. Over next island. It's still at shop. On the island that you got. I was going to build for island.
I want a piece of stretch. Piece of land cut in for the sea.
Yeah.
And we also want to cut in for the sea. See when I come here, so I look like a cut in for the sea,
Shop, you go over there. I never think I want some fast sitting pan, because I know speech up with the pan.
The speech over there. No more police than the other.
Christian music exclusive.
You brush your teeth often?
I'm gonna get one picture of my bed.
Lovely. Welcomes you to Helsh Beach, Half Moon Bay.
So that is.
Where are you now?
Hotel Rockfish, I love Rockfish.
No, you like fish.
This is Myra. Already.
It's not gonna work for you.
dog them and me dog them. Nothing too can't talk out for me this dog them, you know. That's a genocide.
My dog them a feelings. My dog them a feelings.
We slap you. One for each hand.
Candy floss for $150. Now we plan the thing.
Yeah, man, me down.
Fuck a bank of girl in and them all a who no like how we a live. Punching for bed, pan infrared. My rough flying go for it. Empty the bright, my dog them a feelings. My dog them a feelings. Fuck a bank of girl in
I'm start presenting for Chris Genius. You know him run the YouTube library.
Yo, I'm why if you do a wine for me. Slow. No, slower than that.
You make me feel good. Unruly.
Why they on the freeze or chill like beach? People are dead when they kill it, they reach. What that done tie rope round your neck like leech? Out of your brother gate, me a be a bleach. Big Mackie level travel pon the front seat. And me a give you the whole light in your front teeth. This soup see my cap.
When you're not here, you go open the two doors and you go see Wagwan. And you can see the yard where my leave go. So anything you want to go see, or if the man wants to see where the woman can see too. You know what the woman do? That's what you want to say that go hard on you. You know, see no more, you get back to the hotel. And the person you know, you still see what go on. They do everything in the field. They place on satellite. Okay. You pay the $100. You go download the system. You go hear what go on. You go open the door. You go see what go on. One thing you cannot do the one thing. Are your eyes. Lot of people have a favorite leader. I don't say well I got to go to 5 and give it to them. So you man here walk one and see what going in there? We are looking at this ground walk here. You don't never be asked Steve. Yeah man, keep on. I'm on the day with no wonder. Come here.
Yo, look at him. Try it first. What's up?
Stay right here. Show me preview.
direction it's moving. That way
That's
we
called
can
ice cream
energy
cone.
motion.
Ouch!
Yo. Wow. Yeah. Treason. Gucci. Welcome home. That my nigga, that my bro, yeah, that my dog. If niggas wanna get it bustin', he gon' call. He gon' ride to the